This bulletin, we are tracking some inputs where wrestler Vinesh Fogart, in a stunning victory, advanced to women's 50 kg freestyle finals at the Paris Olympics yesterday. Now, Fogart's win has, however, triggered a wave of political reactions back home. Opposition has come out all guns blazing against the Centre for the treatment meted out to Fogart during wrestlers' protest last year. Now, Congress's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has said that her victory signifies her win outside the wrestling ring. Rahul Gandhi said that echo of Fogart's victory now can be heard till Delhi. CPI also lashed out, saying that those who bullied and harassed Vinesh Fogart should be ashamed. Now, wrestler Bajrang Punia also said that Vinesh Fogart's performance is a big slap on the face of Brij Bhushan Sharan. Remember, Vinesh Fogart was at the helm of wrestlers' protest against former WFI chief Brij Bhushan Sharan in 2023 over alleged sexual harassment of women wrestlers by him.
जो 2016 में एशियन ओलंपिक गेम थे, उस टाइम भी जो है ना पूरी आस उम्मीद थी जो गोल्ड मेडल की विनेश गोल्ड मेडल लेगी, उसकी बढ़िया उस टाइम तैयारी थी। लेकिन उसका जो घुटने चोट लगे कारण जो उस 2016 में रहेगी। फिर जो 20,000 में भी ऐसी घटना घटी जो 18 में जो कैंप में थी, जो उसके सर में चोट लगी थी और वह 1 साल तक जो मैट पर नहीं आई ने। तो वही जो है वो 2020 में जो ओलंपिक ये थे कुश्ती ओलंपिक गेम, तो उसमें भी जो उसके ऊपर कुश्ती का जो सारे देश की जो देख रहे उनका दबाव, मॉडल का दबाव, तो इस कारण जो है वो जो 2024 में रह गई थी, लेकिन अब की बार जो है पूरा विश्वास था हमें।
Well, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Yash. A very good morning, Yash. Vinesh Fogart enters final in 50 kg freestyle wrestling, and the way she performed was stunning yesterday. But the entire win has now been marred with political controversies. Take us through all the details of this victory and the political showdown that's breaking out.
See, Meena, beginning with the history which has been created by Vinesh Fogart, it only points to one thing, that how well she has performed in this entire tournament. In fact, not just the semi-finals, but also the kind of performance Vinesh Fogart has shown in the quarters as well. In fact, the final, like the semi-final match was actually a nail-biter. In fact, Vinesh Fogart winning it 5-0 sends out a very message that now her chances at the gold have also been actually heightened, because the kind of performance which has been portrayed by Vinesh Fogart is actually excellent. In fact, this is garnering a lot of positive reactions from everywhere, because this is the history which has been created. In fact, this is the very first time in this very category a women wrestler is actually paving her way to the finals of the Olympics. And now, like you mentioned, apart from the game, a lot of political bickering have already begun, because we know how Vinesh Fogart, along with other senior wrestlers of the Indian contingent, were protesting against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh and the Bharatiya Janata Party in 2023. Now, the Congress is obvious, and they are actually all guns blazing against the ruling dispensation. They say now this is a win for the country, and you see how you treated these wrestlers, how they were beaten on the streets, and now she's there representing the country on the highest podium, which is the Olympics. So as the day progresses, also we expect a lot of political drama over this very issue. But apart from politics, this will be perhaps one of those golden moments for India when it comes to the women's wrestling.
Right, Yash. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll continue to track the story as the day progresses, and we'll definitely keep an eye on the final match.